it's Ashley. Welcome back. Today we are going to be doing our Boxycharm Premium unboxing. Can you see that? It is Whimsy. And this month I got variation 32. So we're just going to go through it real quick. I haven't opened the box. My boyfriend opened it. And I'm just going to pull out items and we're going to see what we got. Oh my God. I just seen one of the first items. Oh my God. It's Natasha Denona. This is freaking crazy. This is the cranberry palette. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Look at that, you guys. It is beautiful. Oh my God. I cannot wait to get home and play with this. So I'm definitely gonna have to film a video using this palette. That's the first thing I've ever had from Natasha Denona. It says, these buttery soft shades blend seamlessly in order to create a vibrant, ultra pigmented, long lasting look. And the price is $48. So the next thing I see is the Kat Von D Cake Pencil Intensely Rich Eyeliner. Let's see. Okay, that's what it looks like. That's the box. Sorry about all the kids laughing. Oh, it's a pencil liner that rolls up. Those are my favorite because I'm not a liquid liner girl. I shake too much. My nerves are too bad. My anxiety is too bad. Can't do it. So, we've got the Kat Von D Cake Pencil Liner. Unprecedented creaminess, intensely rich color, and budge resistant. Waterproof, long wear, and a 100% vegan eyeliner. Now you don't have to choose between luscious, creamy comfort and true performance. And that price is $19. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna hope that it can do like tight line and not transfer because I wear contacts and my eyes water a lot and I just can't really find anything that doesn't transfer on me or whatever. God, my hair's a mess. And I've got a cold, bronchitis, almost got pneumonia, long story. Anyways, next thing, we've got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer for oily to combo skin. And of course, there's tape on the box that he forgot to open for me. Yeah, I'm sorry about all the noise. I'm at the park with my son waiting on my teenager to get out of school. All right, let's look. This is beautiful. Isn't that beautiful glass bottle? We got to smell it. Well, how many pumps does it take to get... Oh, there we go. Oh my God, I could eat that. That is absolutely delicious. Nothing but watermelon. Tastes so good. Or smells so good, sorry. I'm obviously not going to taste it. But yeah, it feels really moisturizing. It's not greasy. And I love the smell. It's not a strong smell, so if you have, sensitive to fragrance, or if you are sensitive to fragrance, it's not that much of a smell. It says, 90% of the Silky Glow Moisturizer is spiked with vitamin and amino acid-rich watermelon extract, plumping hyaluronic acid, and soothing botanicals like peony and jasmine extracts. This cooling gel emulsion absorbs instantly to seal in hydration and prep skin for the day ahead. Antioxidants guard against free radicals and repair damaged cells along the way. Used morning and night, it drenches skin in luscious, long-lasting moisture. And that cost $39. So, let's see what we got next. Advanced Hyaluronic Vitamin C Age Nutri-Revive Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Antioxidant Duo Moisturizer. Alright. Apply in the morning and evening after cleansing and applying your serum. Let's see what it smells like. all I can smell is the watermelon, guys. It's got like a clean kind of scent. It's not strong. It's a real light scent. Avant Deluxe Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream is a delightful anti-aging moisturizer for face and targeted eye area. Formulated with hyaluronic acid to deeply nourish your skin, it also combines signature ingredients to improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and a weakened skin surface. Oh my goodness. And that cost a whopping $134. We see how big that was again? Look at this. Do you see this? $134. No. I will enjoy using it, but I will not be repurchasing it. That is insane. The next thing we have is by Ciate London, and it is the Confetti Highlighter. Sorry about the setup, guys. I'm trying to get a couple videos filmed, and I'm in the car, and it's just, yeah, it's a mess. Very simple, cute packaging. If I can get it open. Oh my goodness. There we go. Oh, look at that. Can you guys see that color? It's like a champagne, peachy, silver white. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Let's see what it looks like. You guys see that? Right there. It's really pretty. It's like a bronzer topper, or at least it would be on me. But it's champagne enough. I might be able to make it work. Sorry, I keep having to ignore phone calls. Anyways, achieve a sun-kissed glow with Ciate London's Confetti Highlighter, featuring a mix of shades that have been carefully pressed together for a radiant highlight in one sweep. And that sells for $32. And then we have one more product in the box. And that is the Bite Nighttime Agave Bite, or Bite Agave, Nighttime Lip Therapy with Pomegranate Extract. It says, a deeply hydrating overnight lip mask is a game-changing balm, to oil formula for more nourished and supple lips overnight. This lip therapy is clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, infused with our chamomile bergamot dream scent. And that retails for $22. Oh, it's got a little scooper. How cute. I've heard about this. Oh, it smells heavenly. It's not strong. What is that? I don't know, but it smells so good. I can't wait to try this. I've heard so many great things about it, and I can't wait to see how it feels on my lips. So our total for our box retail is $294. And like I said, we had variation number 32. And I do have my Boxycharm. This was the premium, so my Boxy Luxe that I will be filming soon, and I will have that up as soon as possible. So thank you. I hope you have a great day, and don't forget, be kind and make good choices.